So this is Louisville, Electric Cowboy Louisville. My name is Wes. I have Amy helping me. This is a 7 o'clock workshop, and we did something that starts with a reverse whirlwind. So it looks like this. We have two hands. We went 1, prep, 2, turning my hand over on 2. I'm going to take it over kind of quick, open her up, and slow, quick, open her up. 4, that's a 4, hold 5. Bring her forward to her left on 6 with my body shift. I'm going to do another triple by checking her with my right hand. Down, move for the guys so that I can stay in the right place. That's 8, hold 1, 2, triple 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So without stopping, it looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, hold 5, 6, 7, and 8, hold 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Thank you. I want to have a big assist to Paul White for getting me my battery that I need to display. Thank you guys. Thank you guys very, very much. Okay? Be sure to take care of your bar.